Hello and welcome to Web Learning, where knowledge is shared. A lot of us are using headphones and some of them break up and we need to replace them. To pull them off, it's quite easy. You just pull it off and they have a really small groove. The problem is to put them back on. Now, a lot of people, they don't know, they try to put it like this and then they try to pull it and then to shove it over, but there is an easier way. Most of the speaker have this small groove right here. And what you do is you take the lip of the earbud, you put it inside this groove, like this, and you start turning it around. You turn it more and more. Sometimes you have to help it a bit. And that's it. And it's on. That's all you need to do. I just want to make sure that I put the right on the right side and not, so here it says, I don't know if you see it, but it says right here. And inside it says right. I'll just turn it around. And let me do the other one really quickly. So again, you put this lip into this groove. And that's it. And you have new earbuds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe.